Good morning, it is 8:30. I need to be getting up, getting around, heading out the door, and heading to class. I'm not going to be able to shower. I'm just going to be able to throw on a hat or something like that and head on out. So, here we go. Alrighty, well, I am cooking up some lunch. I got done with my first two classes, came back here, worked for an hour, went out to class again, came back here and got back. It's time to make some food and time to chill for a second, start working. I have homework to get done this due tomorrow, I have a test on Wednesday, and I have a meeting tonight. And all of those stuff I need to at least be working on today for a little bit. But that's that. Anyway, making food, going to eat, chill for a minute, start working. The video is exporting. It is about to be done. I need to be heading on out to go to this meeting for the exec board that I'm on. It is like dark and rainy and gross out, but gonna be heading out anyway because I have to. And then yeah, and then I'm gonna be coming back here and studying and doing homework and stuff like that. But the editing and stuff took longer than I was expecting, and working and everything. I ended up working longer than I was planning on, but I'll have time to do homework and study when I get back, so that is going to be the plan. Going to be heading on out. The phone just got blown out of my hand. It is like crazy out here right now. Jeez, that wind was so strong. Anyway, I'm heading on out. My goodness. I'm not going to be able to tell, but it is, I mean, maybe by the wind noise, it is crazy. Ugh. Oh, my car is soaking. Old car problems. Dang. It is dripping like crazy in here. Oh, it is so gross out. You're not... I guess you can probably see the rain a little bit, but puddles everywhere. Gross. I am getting in my car, and my friends have convinced me to go to grab a drink and some food at a bar, which I shouldn't be doing. I should be going back and doing homework and studying, but I'm gonna get food anyway, and I'm not gonna be productive while getting food anyway, so I might as well go with them. And anyway, I'm gonna go over there for just a little bit and then head on back and get some work done. Hopefully. In no way, shape, or form am I wanting to do any of the shit Tim just told me to do, but I'm gonna do it. Wings, game, bartender, bros. Alrighty, just like that, it is late and it is time for me to be getting to bed. I got back here and I was planning on studying and working on homework after going and grabbing some food, but didn't end up being the case because I got back here and I needed to fill out some loan stuff, and then by the time I got back, or by the time I got that done, I had to call my dad to ask a question, and an hour and a half later we get off the phone and it's time for me to go to bed because it is like 1:10 and I have class tomorrow at like 10, so I need to be going to sleep. I'm ending this here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.